In this video, I will let you know how to calculate the area of an equilateral triangle in Python programming. There is just a few basic concepts which you people might know about the area of an equilateral triangle. You might have studied in your junior classes, in your school timing, or in your basic education. Here, the area of triangle can be calculated if we have single side's length. Like if I have just a length of a single side, I can calculate area of a triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle. As equilateral triangle is all the sides are equal. Now here is the formula of an area of an equilateral triangle. How can it be calculated? If it closer, you will see there is root 3 divided by 4 into s square. S is any side of an equilateral triangle. Next, the perimeter is defined as a distance around the edges. The edges of a triangle is known as perimeter. We can calculate the perimeter by using the formula below. Like if I have the value of a side, then I can calculate a perimeter by multiplying it by 3, as triangle has 3 sides. We can calculate semi-perimeter of an equilateral triangle using formula 3s, or simply say perimeter divided by 2. Now in the following program, I will show you practically how can we calculate the area of an equilateral triangle. Let's go and see how can the area can be calculated. Here is the program. Here is the code sculptor screen, where I will show you how to calculate or how to write the area of a equilateral triangle in the Python programming. Initially, what the terms will be defining: we will calculate the area, we will calculate the perimeter, we will calculate the semi-perimeter, we will calculate the altitude, and then print all these 4 values. Starting from the beginning, I will be starting the side and defining the side. How can we enter a side? Defining it by float, taking an input, and then entering the desired value of any side of an equilateral triangle. Then calculating similarly the area. Area of a triangle can be calculated by the sides multiplying 3 by 4. We will be taking square root of 3, that will be divided with 4 by 4, and then we will multiply it by the side of a triangle. Next forwardly, we will calculate the perimeter 3 into s. If we know the sides of a triangle, then we can calculate the perimeter. Semi-perimeter can be calculated just by dividing the perimeter by 2. Semi means half, that's why we will divide it by 2. Altitude will be calculated by the altitude can be calculated by dividing square root divided by 2 multiplied by side. Then similarly, we will print all 4 sides by writing the simply print statement as required by Python. Let me run this program. When I will run this program, a window will pop up. It will be asking me, please enter the length of any side of a triangle. I will enter the length of the side of a triangle 12. Then it's going to calculate all the values of this. Just a single side will calculate all the values of the equilateral triangle. You don't have to repeatedly enter the values, just a single value is enough, and all the four parameters are calculated. You can see in an output screen. This is the interface of a sculptor. This is basically the view of Python. So this is a very simple program you can run by yourself, whereas you can calculate the area of a triangle, area of a rectangle, area of trapezoid, if you all know the formula and the concept of all the following shapes or geometric figures. Thank you so much.